There is a Japanese art form called Kintsugi, which dates back to the 15th century. In it, masters repair broken plates, cups, and bowls. But instead of simply putting them back together, they make them better. As you can see in the picture, the broken pieces are fused with the lacquer of gold or silver. Kintsugi was invented as a way to turn the scars of a break into something more beautiful. For a while, though, it wasn't all beautiful scars for me. When I was 15, I immigrated to the US with my mom. 4 years later, she passed away from a terrible disease. I was 19, all alone and scared in a foreign country. But I decided to survive on my own. And despite the struggles, I found a home in California State University, Fullerton. I met my best friends. I joined a lot of clubs, which led me to being in front of you right now. Things were finally getting better until fate dealt me another blow. Last year, before my graduation, my father passed away. It was already an incredible loss with one parent, but both parents, it was really devastating. And I have no words to express the pain. But you know what? I felt better equipped this time around to handle this tragedy. You see, I was working out that time and realized that it was a beautiful metaphor for adversity. When we first work out, we go through a lot of pain. But after a while, we can handle more weights, work out longer, recover faster. Our brain works in the same way, in that negative experiences toughen you up, helping you cope with whatever life throws at you. It's a beautiful idea. Psychologists call it adversarial growth or post-traumatic growth. I experienced a lot of pain in the beginning. I suffered from severe anxiety attacks and bouts of depression that led me to a very dark path. It wasn't pretty and it wasn't a walk in the park. But it also helped me deal with the smaller obstacles that life threw at me. After all, we don't normally find ourselves in the horrible situation that I was in, nor would I ever wish it on anyone else. Rather, we find ourselves in some minor disadvantage or less than favorable conditions. Our boss doesn't give us the raise that we were hoping for. Our professor gives us a bad grade, and on it goes. Bad stuff happens and will happen because that is life. The question is, what will we do with this? How will we respond? Because that's all there is, the response. It's not just the bad things that help us be stronger, but it is the way that we deal with them. Do we let our boss dictate our worth? Do we let a bad presentation ruin our day, or do we use it as a learning opportunity? Just like our favorite cup or bowl, we sometimes crack, or worse, break. But it doesn't have to be the end. You have the choice to glue yourself back together, and I am standing here in front of you as a testament that you can do it.
Yeah.
So I challenge you, fellows. Everyone here goes through something. Whatever it is, I understand you. But I ask also of you, how might we turn our broken pieces into something more beautiful, stronger, better? Thank you.